Man, it's gonna be a pretty day. Fortunately, I can't get to work yet because I have to go and work on my rental home. I have to fix the unleveled toilet, which I have no idea how to do. I'm hoping it just needs a little bit of silicone or something and it'll be good to go. I'll be in here in a little bit, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me because I'm going to Home Depot. I don't know, Home Depot's always fun, right? Let's go. Oh yeah, this bit holder came out fabulous, mostly. There it is. Holds every bit that I have. The reason I said almost is because remember my spoil board it needs to be leveled. I hope that's the problem. And so I wanted to test a bit change. And so I did just use a bull bit. And did this little decorative piece here. But look how thick it gets over here. So this, I'll be able to see it better here. This, compared to this, it's just way thicker. And so the bit just went down more here and down and then back up here. So it's not perfect, it's okay. It worked perfectly. You know, the tool path is correct and all of the holes are correct. So that's what I really wanted to find out. But yeah. This thing's pretty sweet. It's gonna go up on the wall over there, I think. It's, I know it's not all CNC stuff, but I just want all of my bits in one place and closest to the CNC is gonna be best. Plus I have all these tiny little holes for all my other bits, which I need to put in here. All right, yeah, I'm super happy with this. Holds more than enough, and there's still space for more. And then a lot of these will probably end up going, like these are Harbor Freight bits and stuff like that. So as I gain money and use it for these bits will go and nicer bits will come. So yeah, but I'm super excited. I'm pumped on these, that these fit. Everything just fits perfectly. So I actually have something to pick up at Best Buy, but our Best Buy is right next to a Ross. I love Ross. Always have, always will. Kind of like my Target. I like to just go in there and look around. So let's go take a peek at what they have. One of the first things that I always look for in Ross is the kitchen aisle, specifically cutting boards. And they have a nice selection of cutting boards here today. This is so freaking nice. 15 bucks. So is it cheating if I buy a cutting board and then put my own stuff on it and sell it on Etsy? I don't know. Maybe, but we're probably gonna do it. I mean, man, they've got... Okay, this is sad. What is that? Fake epoxy pour? It's probably real epoxy, but come on, guys. They do have some just clean options, though. I mean, these look great. All right. I probably just spent way too much money on cutting boards, but I have some fun ideas for these. Now real quick into Best Buy, actually I didn't forget that I purchased a laptop for my CNC. Just a cheap little 150 thing. At least that way I'm not running my MacBook Pro out there and ruining it. Just gotta go pick that up real quick. All right, package received. Let's get out of here. Made it home, gotta unload the stuff and get going. Man, it's such a beautiful day out. Probably gonna work with the shop door open, at least for a little bit. Oh man, PCs, not for me. That's for sure. Took me a while, but I finally got my new laptop connected to my CNC. I had to download like 3 different things in order just to get easy to be able to communicate to this thing. Super annoying, but we are up and running and we're going to get running. First time carving bamboo. See how this goes. I've been way too busy working on this design I have an idea for on the CNC, but I'm running a rough practice, and then I'm gonna do it on the real thing. Practicing on MDF, and then I will practice on this. This is a elm, locally sourced, and it's pretty. I also have been getting this tool wall reorganized, and it's looking good. I still have all of this junk here that I need to get up on the walls and stuff, but I'm really digging this turning wall. This thing is giving me such a headache. I need to understand depths, first of all. It looks okay, I guess, but I already ruined it because I didn't map out where I was gonna put it, where the lettering was gonna go compared to this piece. So, yeah, that's supposed to be a G. Yeah, you can't tell at all. And it's going just too deep, like, I think. And this is how it started, it like super wavy. And I think it was just taking its plunge cuts too deep and it was just messing it up. So I think what I'm gonna do to salvage this is just cut it right here. And then I still have all of this to use, but it's just super annoying. Yeah, I don't know what it is with that H. It's just bad. I don't know, because the font is perfectly straight. I zoomed in and everything, and nothing. So I do not know why it's doing that. Got the carve going. I like the depth. It could be a little bit deeper, but I'm not gonna push it. And yeah, hopefully we get this thing carved out tonight. The reason I want it deep is because I want to put epoxy in it. All right, let's wrap this one up. I got this wall done and it looks awesome. I also got my CNC wall cleared. So I'm gonna start looking into what I'm gonna do there. I'm kind of thinking small French cleat wall, like a mobile French cleat wall. I think that would be cool, but we'll see. I got most of this place cleared out. I'm just gonna make sure everything's cleared off this area for Monday because I'm gonna have wood delivered. Oh yeah, check this out. Got this done. CNC cut this out all by his lonesome. And it looks super cool. I've never done a teardrop charcuterie board. Teardrop bamboo charcuterie board. So it looks good. Just needs a round over and stuff. The only problem, and now I know why this is at Ross, is this. It's not bad in all places. Like here, it's connected. It just has a few spots like this. I don't know what to do about this. But I think I'm just gonna shove some glue in there and call it good. I really like it. And I also got this done. It looks super, super good. We're gonna pour some epoxy in there later, maybe tomorrow. I wanna kinda leave it on here, pour the epoxy in, and then do a finishing pass on it. But I don't know, I've never done that and I'm scared. But anyways, my family's on the way home with pizza, so I'm gonna call it a night. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.